In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to record a cash donation in GiftAid Recorder using an EPOS Now till. In our scenario, a customer of a charity-run coffee shop is buying a coffee and a toastie and at the same time wishes to make a cash donation of £25. Having explained the GiftAid scheme, the customer has agreed to be a GiftAid donor and has given either a verbal GiftAid declaration or completed a paper GiftAid declaration. Now we can enter the donor's details into the system. On the till, click Customers, and because this is a new customer, click Add New Customer. For a returning customer, ask the customer for their details and use the Search Customers box to locate their customer record and click Select to add the customer to the order. Set the customer type to GiftAid donor and then complete the customer details. At a minimum, you will need to ask for the customer's title, first initial, surname, house name or number, and postcode or first line of address. Click Add to create the customer record and return to the till front. Notice that the customer is now selected on the order. Now we can go ahead and add the coffee and the toastie to the order. To add the £25 donation, click the Add Miscellaneous Products button. Select the correct donation item from your list of miscellaneous products and specify the amount. Click Pay and complete the transaction. Details of the transaction are automatically sent to GiftAid Recorder. That completes this short demonstration on how to record cash donations in GiftAid Recorder using an EPOS Now till. Thanks for watching.